Okay, moving from our 1000 diamond to our 6000 on the back to try and get a little bit finer finish. And we'll finish the back with an 8000 finish stone as well. I have a finish stone for the back of the blades as well as the front, because you want the finish stone for the back to stay really flat so that you don't get any curvature in the back of your blade. And really, ideally, it's best to have, you know, a couple sets of stones, one for chisels and one for planes, but that's too expensive, so we just work with one set. And at the very end, you really want to have, you know, the chisel at the edge of the piece and consistently have pressure on the end of the chisel, because the part that's cutting is that very edge. So we're starting to get a bit of a mirror finish at the edge here. Hard to see with the video. Take the front here to the Nakado, the 1000, 1200. Just constantly keeping your intention at the edge of the blade. I tend to put my body weight into the sharpening, but try and sharpen with really only my arms from about the armpits down. The less joints you can get in there, the better. Still bringing your chisel off the edge so you can try and get a little bit of a curve, just a really slight curve in the chisel where the ears kind of pop out for you so that you can get into the corners easier. Okay, we've got a nice flat edge here. Our hollow grind's gone. Got a pretty good burr on the back. And then we're going to move to the finish stone.